Greetings and welcome to Dynamix 802 Online for the week of 18th of May through the 22nd of May. Here are the learning opportunities for the week. Don't forget to check your Monday memo for the schedule. We're going to have the same schedule for this week. We're going to be focusing on the Odyssey and our final reflection projects during our Humanities time. We will be meeting in small groups on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, same as last week, and we'll be talking about the literature and focusing this week on the big idea, which is theme. Don't forget, we have a green team meeting on Monday at 11:30. We have our small group meets. We're going to have our social meeting at 11:30 on Wednesday, and then we'll be playing Minecraft at 1:15 on Thursday and Friday. So learning opportunity number one, you can earn your Odyssey Response 5 certificate by attending your scheduled Literary Circle session. Don't forget, we'll meet Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday to discuss the Odyssey. Please try and attend as we will discuss elements of literature and the developments in the story. An email with more details will be sent on Monday. Learning opportunity number two is your final reflection project, Brainstorming. If you click on either one of the final project screens that you see there, you will go to the project presentations. And by the end of the week, you should have an idea about what project you would like to engage in and start developing a plan of action. We'll be talking about this in Monday and morning meetings. Learning opportunity number three is to start putting your PLP evidence together. So if you've obtained certificates from your learning opportunities, you want to put both the certificate and the artifact, if it's possible, onto your evidence page. As we go into the final stretch here, I will be looking at your evidence pages, and I want to make sure that you're documenting how much work you've done while we've been in our remote learning situation. So please continue placing your learning opportunity certificates on the evidence page of your PLP. We also have some additional opportunities. You can work on your illustrated study guides or sketch notes. You can organize your PLP. We just talked about that. You can engage in any of the Green Team Academy modules, and you can pursue any extra writing or creative opportunities. Clicking on the link of each of those will take you to the website or web page with those opportunities. And here's the work plan for Monday, May 18th. Just a reminder, we have Green Team at 11:30. We're going to continue listening to the Odyssey. And I'd also like you to watch the video that I have linked. It's about theme. Learning opportunity number two is to work on your final reflection projects and begin thinking about which project you want to pursue. And then, as always, if you earn certificates, please be putting those on your evidence page. Thanks, everybody. Let's have a great week. I hope you had a good weekend. And if you have any questions whatsoever, don't forget you can email or text Mr. Taylor. Thanks very much, and we'll see you Monday, 9 o'clock in the morning. Bye now.